How you doing, guys? Welcome back. Pete from Restorooster OHV. Today we are going to jump back on this little 2007 CR85R project and get this thing done. So when we last left off on this project, we heard it run. Couldn't test ride it because we didn't have a chain yet. So I got the chain. I got a new throttle cable. I went ahead and got an aftermarket carburetor. We're going to see how that works out. I have pretty good luck with them as long as you jet them properly. And I also got a new set of plastics to throw on this thing. And then we're going to take it for a ride up and down the road, make sure everything's good. So let's get started on that. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. This thing's got this extra nozzle up here. I don't know what that's for. Kind of strange. Let's see what kind of jetting's in this thing. I had a YZ250 two-stroker one time that no matter what I did, I could not get to run properly with the OEM carburetor. I ended up getting one of these aftermarket carburetors and just putting the proper jets in it and bolting it on. The bike ran absolutely perfect and flawless. .110 on the main. So a lot of people buy these aftermarket carburetors because they say they fit this and that, and they bolt them on and they're like, yeah, it doesn't run right. But the thing is, you got to still jet them properly for your application. 38 and 110. It's been a while, so let's pull this one back off and see what we put in there. So we got a 50 Pilot. This thing would never run with a 38 Pilot. And a 125 main. I don't know if I got a 125 main. Gotta dig through all of these, see if I can find a 125. They're probably all going to be 200 and over. $125. All right, so I got lucky. I had a 125. However, I also have a 120 and a 130, so I can go up and down if I need to, which is a good thing. All right, since I don't remember any of this stuff, we'll go ahead and take a look at where we set our needle. And second from the top. So we're going to move this needle second to the top, from the top. Oh, why didn't you tell me I didn't put the rubber boot on? What the fuck, bro? There we go. I knew I would get it right one of these times. You can adjust your throttle free play right up here. All right, let's see how this goes with this new carburetor. Make sure she's not leaking. Get a screwdriver ready in case I need to do some adjustments, and we don't have any leaks, so. Definitely going to let it warm up and do a little bit of tweaking on the carburetor, but just got to install a mount on this exhaust that I ordered, and then it's plastics time. Shrouds, side covers, number plate, and new fenders. New fenders. Ah! Just kidding. Now, since this is a restyle kit, I went ahead and checked the other side to make sure that this would fit before I started getting involved with any of this stuff. These kits sometimes need a little tweaking to fit properly. I don't know if you just heard that as I was turning that idle screw out, the pilot screw out, how it cleaned right up as I increased the air. That's what you want, is a nice clean sound right there. None of that breaking up, which is telling you it's too rich, and no ball, which will tell you it's bogging like it's too lean. Just about 8 throttle, 1/8 throttle, under load in a higher gear, and she's running super smooth. That's how you're going to adjust your idle screw. I may have to go down 1 notch on this pilot jet. That screws out quite a ways. So that's going to wrap this one up. Short and sweet, simple. She looks good. She actually pulls pretty good. These things are kind of crazy for not having a power valve in them. It's just a basic cylinder, and she comes up on the pipe real quick and hard. So it runs good, and it's going to make somebody else real happy. I think it looks beautiful. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. Thanks again for all the support you give to the channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I got to take this one off the lift, and I got myself another 2-stroke project coming up. We'll catch you on the next one.